Hi, I'm back with another video. This is just a continuation of the previous discussion for the week 2 lesson. So this is the continuation of the coterminal angles, and now let's proceed to finding the arc length of a circle. So ang kaning arc length, party lang gihapon ni siya sa circle. It's just a fraction, no? Fraction part of the circumference of the circle. So this is denoted by the theta over 2 pi of the circumference of the circle. So following this concept, we just multiply this with the circumference of the circle and we obtain this formula. S is equal to r theta, where CS mo ni siya ang arc length, CR is our radius, and theta is the angle which is in radian form. Take note that we cannot directly utilize the angle in degree, so dapat i-convert pa nato siya into radian form so that it is in real number form of the angle. So let's have an example. Find the length of an arc of a circle with radius 10 meters that subtends a central angle of 30 degrees. Okay, so we have to take note of the given. We have the r, which is 10 meters, and we have the angle that is 30 degrees. Since naka-degree man siya, i-convert na to siya into radian measure. So we have here the formula, 30 times the quantity of pi over 180. We can cancel out the 30, 180. Ang mabilin is pi over 6 rad. So we have now our theta, and just simply plug in the other given. So S is equal to, our R is 10 times our theta, pi over 6, and that is equal to 5 pi over 3 meters, or if we are going to replace pi with 3.14, 15, 16 to 9, and so on, we will obtain 5.24 meters. So ang dakon di ay, or ang length sa arc nga gikuanan sa angle nga 30 degrees is 5.24 meters. Another example, a central angle theta in a circle of radius 20 meters is subtended by an arc length of 15 pi meters. Find the measure of theta in degrees. So this time, ang gipangita na pod nato is ang theta. So just plug in the given. We have the arc length 15 pi and we have the radius of 20. So dapat mabili na lang is theta, so we will divide both sides by 20, and our theta is equal to 3 pi over 4. But take note that kani nga theta nga na-obtain nato is in radian form, and we were asked to find the measure of theta in degree. So we are going to multiply the 3 pi over 4 times 180 degrees all over pi, and we have 135 degrees. Okay. So it's easy to find the length of the arc. Okay, now let's proceed to the area of the sector. So a sector is of a circle is the portion of the interior of a circle bounded by the initial and terminal sides of a central angle. So just like this one, A. This A is the area of the sector. This shaded portion is the sector. So it is like a slice of pizza. Note that an angle with measure 2 pi radians will define a sector that corresponds to the whole pizza. Therefore, if a central angle of a sector has a measure of theta radians, then the sector makes up the fraction of theta over 2 pi of the complete circle, which is similar earlier sa atong discussion sa arc length. And since we are talking about the area, remember about the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. So ganina kay we are dealing with the arc length man, so we multiplied it with the circumference of the circle. So this time we are going to multiply this one with the area na pod of the circle. So easy lang kayo iyahang derivation sa formula. So mo lang ni, we have pi r squared, the area of the circle na formula. So we can cancel out the pi. So ang mabilin is 1/2 theta r squared. Again, take note that theta should be in radian form. Okay, let's have an example. Find the area of a sector of a circle with central angle 60 degrees if the radius of the circle is 3 meters. Again, naka-degree form man siya. We are going to convert 60 degrees sa radian form. So just multiply by pi over 180. So we obtain the pi thirds rad. And then substitute 1/2 times pi over 3 times our radius is 3 meters. So we have 3 pi over 2 meters squared. So, okay ra nga dili na ninyo i-multiply pa og 3.14 if wala instruction. But if you are told to do so, so you are going to multiply this one with 3.14. But let it be for now. Okay, let's proceed to the second example. An automatic lawn sprinkler sprays while rotating 30 degrees and covers an area of 104.72 feet squared. Up to what distance can the sprinkler reach? Okay, so we are going to analyze. Imagine na aday lawn sprinkler. So, nag-rotate siya with 30 degrees o iyang mga cover, iyang mabasa nga area is 104.72 feet squared. So, we are going to find the radius of the garden. Kay kung naon siya, kung motuyog siya 360 degrees, it will form a circle, no? The lawn sprinkler. So, we have to find the length or the distance unsa kalayo iyang maabtan. So, of course, first take note of the given. So, 30 degrees is equal to pi over 6. And then use the formula. Substitute na to ang area which is 104.72. It's equal to the formula 1/2 pi over 6 and then r squared. This is being multiplied. 2 times 6 is 12. So, you multiply diri. That's why nahimo siyang 12 times 104.72. It's equal to pi r squared. And then divide by pi. Divide both sides by pi. Okay, makancel man yung pi. Makancel. And then this is all over pi po siya. So, we have r squared is equal to 1,256.64 all over pi. So, you can just simply input this one together in the calculator and the answer is approximately 20 feet. So, ang kalayon di ay nga maabot sa sprinkler is 20 feet. Okay, so this is all about the arc length and the area of the sector. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something from the week 1 and the week 2 video lessons.